Welcome to this new episode of Out of the World.
And this time we are in Ecuador on the Galapagos Islands, where we started on the central island of Santa Cruz to find ourselves in a bizarre animal paradise. And now we sail on to a more remote island, Isla Isabela. The sun has just gone down when we enter the little town of Puerto, Villamil.
Two and a half hours on a speedboat going kadunk, kadunk, kadunk. But we're on the other side, we're on Isabela. We didn't get sick on the boat. And this is the room.
First of all, let's eat, which you can do very well and very cheap. You can find a menu del dia for $6 and a drink is included.
Oh, we don't have an awful lot of time to recover from that boat trip yesterday because it's 7 a.m. and we're going on a tour on Isabela, which is called Los Túneles, and we're gonna see some awesome things. It's still raining, but it might get better soon.
With tour company Rebecca Adventures, we sailed to a volcanic area with a maze of lava tunnels, which are home to a lot of wild animals.
On this tour we also see the cutest animal you can find on the Galapagos. I wanted to see this one. It's called the blue-footed boobie. And I wonder why it's called that way. Just look at it. The blue feet. So cute.
Because the blue-footed boobies don't have any natural enemies, they are everything but afraid. With their bright blue flippers, the males are doing some kind of dance battle to impress each other. We also spot breeding females. How special is that? Then we take a dive to see the underwater world. We head off on a snorkeling tour through the tunnel system. Very soon we see rays, sharks and penguins.
So we're continuing to the final snorkel site and it's gonna be amazing because there's supposed to be 100 of turtles down here. Let's see if it's true. I'm gonna count them.
And this is really breathtaking. Welcome to BBC's
Out of the Earth, where the waters are full of life.
Yes, guys, this felt like a dream. Wake up, Suze! we explore Isabela, where we find a bright pink beach bar far away from the outside world. There seem to be more locals than tourists here, and that's something we like.
The weather is kind of unpredictable here in the Galapagos. Yesterday it was raining, but we saw the most incredible animals and did the snorkeling trip in Los Túneles. Today the weather is much better, so we're gonna take a little hike across Isla Isabela towards Posada de los Flamingos to find some flamingos, another animal. And the walk starts here on this boardwalk.
As always, the walk here is among the locals, the marine iguanas. There! Flamingos! Isabela Island is a totally untouched natural wonder. A walk here is quite soothing. But then I feel something stinging me underneath my feet. Yikes!
A very good morning again on Isla Isabela, and today I wanted to show you a particularly good spot for snorkeling. The name is Concha de Perla and it's just next to the ferry terminal that goes to all the other islands. If you go at low tide you will see the most animals, so let's do some snorkeling.
By only touching the water here, you find yourself in a sea life aquarium. I see turtles, and this sea lion is coming to play with me. Isabela was really an adventure. What a natural paradise. But we continue to island number 3, San Cristobal. So for sea lions and the most beautiful beaches, I'll see you soon at Wout of the World. Subscribe and travel along with us on this world trip. Ciao!